Begini momen Ranti Maria ucapkan janji pernikahan ke Rain Wijaya yang buat haru warganet.
Baby, I love your heart. I love how you love Jesus. I love how kind and loving you are. I love how you look. And I'm so blessed for that. I love the way you dance. I love the way you sing. And we all know you're not so good at that. I love you. I love how you pray for me and encourage me and listen to what I love and what my dreams are. And you always try your best to make it happen. Thank you, baby, for showing me what true love feels like.